Hi everyone, I'm Samatha from Bodsphere. So in today's video we'll be discussing about the exercises that you can do for correcting your posture. So if you have been using the laptop for too long, or if you have been suffering from posture correction issues, and if you want to work on your spine and your own posture of course, so we have got the perfect exercises for you that you can do just by sitting on your chair. So let's get started. So for the first exercise, we'll keep our index finger on our chin. So what we have to do is, you have to keep your gaze on your index finger and just slide your chin back, your head back, and keep your chin tucked on your chest. Keep staring on your index finger and just feel the stretch in your cervical spine around your neck. And after a few seconds of hold, you may come back to the base position, and once again take your head back, keep your gaze on your index finger, chin will remain tucked in. Let's stay over here. So for a good posture you need a good spine, and from here itself let's come back to the base position and relax. So for the second exercise, what you have to do is, you have to bend your elbows, keep them onto your sides, tuck them onto your sides, and just take your arms back, take out your chest, and as if you are trying to touch your elbows, just stay over there for a few seconds. You'll feel the stretch in your thoracic spine and your cervical spine, your shoulders, your chest. And let's come back to the base position, and once again take your arms back, elbows back, stay over there, stay upright, keep your spine completely straight, and let's come back to the base position, and you may relax your arms. So for the fourth exercise, we will be combining the first and the second exercise that we have just done. So for that, you don't have to place your index finger on your chin, you just have to make a fist, and as you take your arms back, you have to take your head back. So simultaneously you have to do both the exercises. So let's see how to do that. Now make a fist, and as your arms go back, tuck in your chin towards your chest. Your elbows are right behind your back as if they're trying to meet each other. And from here itself, release your arms, your head comes forward, and once again take your arms back, your head goes back. So you will feel the stretch not just in the thoracic but in the cervical spine also, because your head is back. And let's come back to the base position, and you may relax your arms. So for the next exercise, we are going to make use of the Theraband. So let's place it right under our feet. So you have to keep your feet slightly away from your body, and now what you have to do is, you have to pull the Theraband towards you and try to make sure that your elbows go back as if they are trying to meet each other. The same movement that we did for the previous exercise. So let's see how to do that. Now keep your arms in this position, and let's pull the strap towards our body, expand your chest, your elbows go back, and from here itself relax your arm, and once again pull the strap towards you, and let's stay over here for a couple of seconds. You should feel the stretch in your thoracic spine just to get rid of the hunch. And from here itself, let's come back to the base position, And once again, pull the strap towards your body, and let's stay over here. So we need to get rid of the bad posture. This will surely help you. So from here itself, let's relax your arms. So in the last exercise, what we are going to do is we'll take our arms back. You have to grab your right wrist right behind your back. So you have to pull your chest out. Your elbows will remain straight and your lower back will be in, pushed in. Your chest is getting pushed out. It's expanding. So it has got a very good effect on your entire spine, not just the thoracic but the cervical and the lumbar also. So you have to engage the entire spine in this position. Keep your elbows straight and you may relax your arms.